After weeks of travelling across India, there's only one place we wanted to spend our final night. So before heading home, we're returning to the heart of Old Delhi for what might just be the perfect ending to this incredible journey. Leaving Udaipur now.
Yes.
Such a magical place. Had a nice couple of relaxing days. So now we're heading back to Delhi. Now that we've got out of the tight little streets, we transfer from tuk-tuk to car.
Good morning.
Amazing how big that window is.
Hugely.
So it's 10:15 in the morning and traffic is starting to build up. Hopefully not too bad. Everyone's not going to be stuck in traffic before getting to the airport. Anti-smog gun.
How does an anti-smog gun work?
Not sure. It looked impressive.
So on our way to the airport, the fog started to get thicker and thicker and thicker. So we're not far from the airport now, but our plane has been delayed by half an hour. Our driver's not confident. Could be another night here.
So we've just been dropped off at the airport.
Is this the look of worried passengers?
We've been lucky up until now. Is our luck going to hold? Only an hour and 15, so that's pretty good given the circumstances. Only very minimal floor to sit on. That was it. 2 weeks ago, we flew out of our modern Western lives, and 12 hours later, we stepped into the mysterious and intriguing alleys of Chandni Chowk. Not an easy place to find, this one. This was everything we hoped for when we booked this trip to India. A culture shock full of excitement, adventure and quirky charm. And I think we're here. Sometimes a place just impacts on your soul, and this was how we felt about Haveli Dharampura when we first checked in 2 weeks ago. And so it was for this reason that we changed our plans to return here for our last night before we fly home. The history of the last 140 years is ever present here. You can feel it in the magnificent details and the vistas. The conservation work is exquisite. Be sure to check out their website for some amazing before and after photos. So we're in a little alcove off the side of the main courtyard, and there's a bit of condensation which makes it hard to see, but down there's some historic chests that were found during the renovation works. The owners here have done such a magnificent job weaving the past into the present. If you love history as much as we do, a stay at Haveli Dharampura is a must-do. I love these stained glass windows too, and beautiful textiles up there.
So this is the rooftop. Really quite beautiful.
From rooftop views over Old Delhi to candlelit dining and heritage suites filled with antique charm, staying here isn't just about luxury. It's about experiencing the soul of Old Delhi while living inside its history.
What a beautiful room. That goes out to a little balcony where monkeys sit.
Just absolutely unreal. And just over there, Jama Masjid, the big Delhi mosque, and it looks totally magical.
Look out over the rooftops. Bit of washing.
how to navigate this staircase.
I know it's really awful. I know this is smog and it's bad. It looks so mystical. It's just wow. Yeah, the stairs are a little uneven. Definitely watch your hands.
Well, very befitting for the end of our holiday. We started here and we're finishing here. The time is now 7 p.m.
Yes, so we need to go to bed soon. We're getting up at 5 in the morning to go and jump on a plane and head home.
So we're back in Delhi, back at the Haveli that we first stayed at on the start of the trip. We got a room and they've given us a bit of an upgrade. Bathroom, very nicely appointed. Wow, fancy paneling. Big, open and spacious. This place is stunning in every aspect from what we had last time. We were up there in that nook. It's our bedroom. We're now down a floor below and it's just gorgeous. Look at that. That's a marble inlay. And these little nooks, I suppose you'd call them. Very beautiful. So that's the courtyard dining. Stunning. So the streets and alleys are very quiet at 5:30 in the morning.
Very empty.
Here in the business class lounge. We've had a bit of breakfast.
It's yummy breakfast.
It is nice. Before we get onto the plane.
I'm a bit under the weather now, but only got to get through today.
They're not individual airline lounges.
So we're flying Singapore Air,
And this is the Encalm.
Encalm lounge, which is basically the lounge for everybody. It's nice. It just took a bit of working out to work out how to get here. Yet another treat for ourselves. But after a bit of a restless night and a long day of travel, our first leg at least is business class.
Like this.
Yes.
See what we've got.
Very exciting.
There it is.
Already got some apple juice, got my water hydration, got a really fancy control doublaki. Wow, we've got a whole book. Time to order breakfast. It's really challenging when you've got to decide between having really yummy looking food and sleep.
I know.
India has given us incredible sights, unforgettable experiences, and memories that we'll treasure forever. As this chapter comes to a close, we can't help but wonder what exciting destinations the future will hold. If you've enjoyed travelling through India with us, you'll find the complete India playlist here. Thanks for being part of the journey, and we'll see you in our next adventure.